Amar had a question that wouldn't leave his mind. How can some people grow so fast, while others stay stuck for years? He saw successful people talk about habits, consistency, and growth. But one phrase caught his attention. The 1% rule. He couldn't believe it. Could becoming just 1% better each day really change your entire life? So he decided to test it. He opened a calculator and typed 1.01 raised to the power of 365. The results shocked him. 37.78. If you improve just 1% every day, you become nearly 38 times better in 1 year. That's the power of compound growth. Small gains multiplied create unstoppable momentum. Success isn't built by intensity. It's built by consistency. He realized. The same principle that grows money can also grow your mind, your health, your habits. He used to chase quick success. And every time, he failed. But this time, he had a new plan. Not massive change. Just tiny, daily growth. Amar began his experiment. 1% improvement, every single day. One day, it was reading 10 minutes more. The next, waking 10 minutes earlier. At first, progress was invisible. But like interest in a bank, it started to multiply. Of course, he missed days. We all do. But here's what made him different. He didn't quit. He returned stronger. 1% in discipline. 1% in focus. 1% in kindness. Each one added up. And like magic, after a few months, he felt different. Not perfect, but powerful. He told his friend, if I get just 1% better every day, I'll be 37 times better by next year. His friend laughed. But numbers don't lie. And neither does effort. Day after day, he kept compounding. His habits, his knowledge, his confidence. The difference was invisible daily, but undeniable over time. That's the 1% rule in motion. Slow, steady, exponential growth. He didn't become extraordinary overnight. He just kept showing up. The difference was invisible daily, but undeniable over time. That's the 1% rule in motion. Slow, steady, exponential growth. He didn't become extra. One small improvement a day was now a powerful streak. And that streak turned him unstoppable. He started teaching others how compounding works not only in money, but in effort. It's not magic. It's math. And it always works if you do. Growth looks small at first. But one day, it becomes impossible to ignore. He looked at an old photo of himself and realized how far he'd come. It wasn't luck. It was math multiplied by mindset. Because real growth isn't sudden. It's steady. And it compounds. He told them. Stop chasing huge changes. Start chasing 1% improvements. Because big change looks exciting. But small change actually works. That's how you get 37 times better. One sunrise at a time. Patience built his progress. Consistency became his strength. You don't conquer a mountain in one jump. You climb one step, then another. And when others asked how he did it, he simply said, compounding never fails. Because small daily growth creates extraordinary results. Mathematically, emotionally, and spiritually. So if you want to be 37 times better a year from now, don't look for miracles. Look for habits. 1%. One day. One choice. That's all it takes to become 37 times better and unstoppable.